If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Skillshare, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Skillshare account by entering your credentials on the Skillshare website or app. Make sure you are using the account associated with the pending transfer. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Payment or Payout section where you can manage your financial transactions. Step 3. Locate pending transfers. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRART to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view more details. This should provide you with options related to that specific transaction. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the transfer is officially cancelled. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the pending transfer has been cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Skillshare's customer support for assistance.